Okay, guys, so we have just got a new automatic cat litter box. So it's down here. You guys see it here? Maybe you can see it. I don't know. That's it under all my other boxes of stuff that I have to look at. Anyways, a big box. It's a big box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this camera up over we're not doing it in this normal studio room because the box is just so large. So what I'm going to do is actually take it out. I'll set up this camera so you guys can see what comes in the box. And then I'm just going to put it together off camera. And then we'll see what it's like. But they come in around I think it's between $500 and $600. I'll put a screenshot here of the website. I'm not sure if that's Canadian or US. Anyways, we have a self-cleaning cat litter box. Worth the investment if you're not someone that's home all the time, or you have a lot of cats, or you just don't like cleaning the cat litter all the time, which I'm pretty sure most of us don't like doing. Anyways, this one is by, I want to say Laresar, something like that. They actually, we use one of their robot vacuum cleaners, which actually does a really good job. And I'm gonna set this up, and I'll be right back once I get it upstairs. Okay, so first and foremost, I am going to be trying to show you what comes in this. It is a big box, but it's not crazy heavy. It's just because of its size, it is a little awkward, I guess, to carry. But it's a big box, so what are you gonna expect, right? It is what it is. Okay, let's see if I can show you guys. First off, you get your your instructions. Right, so I'm going to keep those handy just in case. That is your user manual. You guys can see that there. You get, I'm guessing this is like the garbage, like the litter bag, so that you can empty it. Pet Fresh Purifier, that's good. And a bunch of, this is your power plug. You get, I'm not sure what this is. This looks like maybe what the power plug goes into, possibly. I'm not 100% sure, but it comes with it. That's cool. And these looks like they're the feet. So feet are good. Maybe it doesn't come in as many parts as I thought, which is good. Hold on, I gotta put this over here. So it's like a big ball. So on the side, looks like you get a little mat. Of course, this is going to be for picking up any litter that comes outside that the cats kind of kick out, which is excellent. All right, hold on. Now, I honestly thought this was going to be a unit that I had to put together, because the last one, you had to put it together. This one, not the case. The only thing you're going to have to do is, of course, let me just tilt that down a bit. Maybe that's better. The only thing you're going to have to do is put the feet on, right? So that'll pass the ad. Inside here, you get a little litter scoop. And that's, as far as I can tell, that's kind of it. There's also like I'm guessing this goes somewhere. The fun thing is that is in there. I don't know how that goes. It's the actual litter tray, so I'm gonna have to figure out how that comes out. Manual. So I will figure that out. I'm gonna put the legs on it right now, get it all set up, and then we can take a look. But I love the fact that you don't really have to do much in regards to putting it together. There is some tape on it. I wonder if the top just comes off. Some more stuff back here. I guess this is probably where the filter and all that goes. Does this top come off? There's this, which is, yes, top just comes off. That's sweet, which allows me to take this out, which is where you're going to put your litter bags. There's another sticker back here, so make sure you take that off. Okay, that's cool, but everything else really looks like it's installed. There's not a lot for you and I to have to do, as far as I can tell, so that's a win. Anyways, I'm going to put the feed on it, and I'm going to put the filter in it, and we'll power it up and see how this goes. Okay, just so you guys can see, the feet went on in like 3 seconds. There's not even screws, they're just little clips, so you just slide them into the slots. You guys may be able to see that here. You just push them in, and that's it. Everything comes apart for cleaning, so if you need to clean, which I'm sure you will at some point in time, you're good to go. This, at the bottom here, has a little, you guys hopefully can see that, a little slide in. That's where you're going to put this. Yeah, there's not a lot that you and I have to really do to get this thing working, you know? So, this here is the Pet Fresh Purifier, which it's got to go somewhere. My guess is it goes in here. So what happens is this punctures. This is my guess. Is this like a liquid? Is it? It's got a little seal on it, and that's got a little point to it. Yes. So it says on the back here, there's a little tiny door, which there is. And yeah, so basically what I would believe is that there are these little sensors on that. So that's going to slide in this way into that little hole there. This, my guess, would be you'd screw that in here. So I'm gonna do it. Ready? It's going to puncture that. And then this slides in and clicks. That's pretty simple. Yeah, that's also where your power is. So that's your power for here. And that's it. That's it. Make sure you put a bag in here unless you just want them to crap in the thing, right? But this, same deal when you're done. That just goes back there. And then your power outlet is there. All right, let's turn it on. I think there might be an app for this. So let's see if there's an app. 1 sec. Okay, so I've got it all plugged in here. You guys can see it. I'm keeping the top off right now so we can get an idea of what it's doing. So it is just kind of flashing. It's got this Wi-Fi signal on it here, which is cool, right? And I'm pretty sure if you and I were to push this button, maybe we could see. Watch out, Lucy. I don't know if it's doing anything. No, it's just flashing. So maybe what we have to do is set it up with Wi-Fi first to get it all connected, which completely makes sense. But I'm going to do that, and I'll let you know how that goes. Okay, because I actually have some of their other products, it literally just popped up and said, you need to add this item. And I said yes, and it added it. I didn't even have to do anything. So that's cool. I'm going to hit done. The Wi-Fi now has gone from like orange to white. So that's excellent as well. Tap cover. Oh, so it needs the cover. So that's why it's flashing. It says it needs the cover. So it says tap cover not installed. I think that seems to be on. Okay, so now it doesn't say tap cover. So if I hit this little button, right, it actually says, you guys may be able to see, it says start status. It's cleaning. It comes up with an empty cat litter. There's a toilet duration, the cat weight, all kinds of stuff on here, which is very cool. And you can actually say cat litter type selection. So what kind of cat litter you're using. And if you want deodorization, right? So you can actually turn that feature on. You guys, you may be able to see that information right there, that's kind of cool. And this has now gone white. So it's white instead of orange. So I'm guessing that means it's all set. I just want to see if this will function if I go to clean it, right? Let's just see if it goes to clean, right? So we can see what it's doing. Oh, and there it goes. You guys see it moving back there? So there's a little section in the back that it'll spin, and it has like a grate on it, so that they can dump it into the litter. And then my guess is once that's done, it spins all the way around, would empty the cat doo-doo, I guess. Doo-doo, that's the way I say it. Spins it back. It's pretty quiet. You know, I don't think any excessive noise, for sure. And then it would be ready to go again. That's very cool. That's very cool. And I love how quiet it is. Yeah, that's like, and you know what's the best part? The best part, without question, is the fact that, for one, it has that little sanitizer thing. So, because you know what? It doesn't matter if your cat pees or goes to the number 2. It's got a smell. So that's got a deodorizer in it, which is cool. Super quiet, which is nice. It's definitely a little smaller than our other one, which actually, you know what? It's probably better for a lot of places in their homes. You don't want to take up too much space. And I love that you didn't really have to put anything together except the feet. So, yeah, that's awesome. Links down below if you guys are interested in this. I'm gonna be using it. I may use it. We'll see. I don't think I'll fit in there, but whatever. If something goes wrong with it or anything like that, I will leave comments down below, just like I do with all our videos. And if no updates, then you know it's working like a champ, All right, guys, this is the Laresar Pet automatic cat litter cleaner refresher. Give your cats some love. You know, give them some love. Let them have a clean litter all the time. All right, guys, links down below. Comment, do all that cool stuff. If you have one of these, let me know how you're liking it, and we'll see you guys next video. Later.